Okay, on Cyrus Says, we've got Huma Qureshi, who's talk of the town, a very hot actress with lots of interesting projects coming up. In fact, a big one called Maharani. But before I let her on, it's very important that we mention this. Please, people who send us circulars in buildings when they say that there will be no water supply on the west side, what the hell does that mean? Who knows what the west side or east side is? Please, when you write a circular in India for us people, you have to understand we can't tell west, north, south, east. Okay, although we are divided by all kinds of ridiculous things, at the end of the day, please point out and tell me which area the water will not come from. You know, if it, whom am I wrong? I mean, I don't understand this circular. My mother's asking me west side kahan hai? I said west side kahan hai? It's a shop. Then I
Compass.
finally realized she was talking compass, but this is a family with
Compass.
compass is not there. We have a
Where the
Jeep
sun
compass.
rises and where the sun
Uh,
sets.
can
Ever
you
heard
tell?
of that, Cyrus?
I've
Yeah,
heard of
where the
that, but
sun
can you
rises.
tell?
Yeah,
So
where the sun rises from.
with huh, where the sun rises from, but then I can't remember, no, after it's done. It passes completely and carries on.
I
Okay,
know what to
Huma, since
gift
you
you
this.
now. Hmm.
No, but tell me, are you good with geography? I know some people can just turn around and say it's coming from the west. In cricket and football, they just say wind is blowing from east, blowing from west. I'm like, I've never been able to understand where this is coming from.
I think you just like you have to like spit on your finger and then be like, okay, the wind is blowing in this
Oh,
direction, like
you won't
that.
believe that's what my dad used to tell me when I was young. That's
I think,
legendary,
yeah,
especially if
my
we were
father
bowling.
also.
Really?
Exactly.
So
Yeah.
this is not a myth then, huh? If more than one
No.
father has done the same thing. So my dad
I think
I
all
used to do that and then wait to see where the breeze is blowing. Oh God, I tell you, I
all
miss the third
fathers
world.
and mothers, all fathers and mothers have moved to the same school, basically. Same thought process. That's why
I
we
think
turned out
most
so twisted.
no, no, they're so lazy now. Being a father, I understand. Instead of finding out the right information, which would have taken a long time to figure out, they came up with a simple thing and leave you to look like an idiot for 20 years. Going around north, south. You travel to Brazil again. कहाँ पहुंच गए हम लोग? Wow. Okay, Uma, don't waste time. This is by the way, our podcast celebrates greatness of people, huh? So this is your greatness podcast. And Maharani, as important as it is, I want to talk about your entire life in 45
Oh
minutes
my
if we
God.
can. Yeah.
45 minutes?
So,
They told me it was 10 minutes.
oh, oh God, really?
I'm just
We'll
kidding.
do
I'm
it in
just
10
kidding.
minutes. And then we'll repeat it two, three times. Huh? Uh, let's start at the top, which is the Maharani TV show. Firstly, how
Mhm.
did you all shoot this?
God only knows, man. They narrated this to me. So this was my first Zoom narration. You know, when the world had just completely shut down last year for the first time. Let me say that again.
Yeah, first innings, correct.
For the first time when it shut down last year, I had my first Zoom narration with Subhash Kapoor and the Sony Live team, and they narrated this thing to me, and I was like, amazing, let's do this. And then we, of course, were waiting for things to open out. So as soon as we opened, we got down to this. We shot in Bhopal, Bombay, Jammu, tried to do it in a tight bubble, get ourselves tested, the whole thing. Nobody fell sick or nothing happened, thank God. I don't know how we managed to pull it off. And now, in our second lockdown, we're going to release. So, it's really been quite miraculous how we pulled this off. But it's the Sony Live team that have made it happen. I mean, I just turned up and, wore a sari and some lines. They had the hard work of keeping everyone safe and, up and about. So thank you to them.
Huma, before we thank them, because I'm totally anti-administration, government, state, and center. So anything official, I'm against them immediately. So Sony Live, you can like them as much as you want, but they irritate me already for no reason. I want to
They
just
pay them.
quickly mention.
They pay me. They sign my check, so I have to be nice to them.
No, actually, jokes apart, I think television has showed more muscle than a lot of other industries and tried to fight TV and film have tried to fight as much as they could because so many people are starving. And not just poorer sections. People don't understand. I have a friend who probably comes from a privileged background. He's finished his restaurant business is packed up. He can't pay
Oh
his
dear.
EMIs. He can't take any more loans, and he's so depressed. And I feel really bad about that. But now what to do?
Yeah.
Your
Yeah.
government
Yeah.
wants to lock down every time, lockdown, lockdown,
No, my
and
dad runs a restaurant business in Delhi for 44 years,
yeah,
Cyrus. 44 years
correct.
my dad's been running the restaurant business. We had so many branches. I mean, and he has to lay people off, but we're trying to keep as many people as possible. But it's difficult, right? I mean, how do you sustain it? Thankfully, we own the property, so it's easier. But for
There you
somebody,
go.
it's
Where
like,
is it?
you're going to be bleeding. It's in Kailash Colony. So free food,
Oh,
Delhi,
Kailash
call
Colony.
me. Hmm.
Okay. No, free food is that I'm hardcore non-veg, so you got the right person. For my family,
Good.
kachumbar is veg. That's all. Nothing else.
Kachumbar is veg.
Yeah, the onions and tomato or whatever you all call it. So
Uh,
what are the good dishes there? Just now that you mentioned it, I'm feeling hungry already.
the kebabs are
I love
outstanding.
Delhi khana,
Mutton,
I'm a huge fan.
love Delhi khana. Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
yeah. Delhi
Isn't the
khana. The
mutton better,
kebabs are the
Uma?
nihari. Mutton is way better. Any day. Chicken is
The
what is chicken?
chicken to anyway is a bad meat. Yeah, you need to put things on it to make it nice. But mutton is
Exactly.
better.
Mutton
Huh.
is better.
And and
And
and the milk is better. I love the milk in Delhi for some reason. I don't know why I'm telling you
milk,
this.
paneer, doodh. I
Huh.
don't know, but
All
like
that.
I'm just
Malai, malai.
two foodies
Ooh, the
unite.
big lassis with the malai inside. Ah, yummy, yummy.
The
Oh, vote for Kejriwal. Vote for
paratha.
Kejriwal. Sorry. So what is the signature dish? Salim's, right? It's
Mm,
called after dad.
it's called Salim's after my father. The mutton seekh kebabs are to die for. The kakori is
Yummy.
too good, and the nihari. I think these two
Why I
things,
love Nihari. What are
the
you
holy
saying?
trinity. Yeah, the
Holy
holy trinity
Trinity.
is complete. Yeah.
And Nihari is a I don't think everyone can do justice to it, huh? Like here, Noor Mohammadi is famous
It's,
for all of us in central Mumbai.
yeah.
Like even if you're Sanjay Dutt and a big star, or I mean, there's so many people big celebrities who come to Noor Mohammadi who've never really made it into a glamorous setting, but just for
Yeah,
the Nali.
no, it's and it's never about the setting. I can do a shishi for dinner and dress up and do all of that, but like good food is always in these little dives, these small hole,
Yeah.
places, and they make the best food. So it's not about the cutlery, crockery. It's about just the pure experience and having good food with your hands. Like that's.
Uma, you're
Uh,
right. This is why I do the podcast with no clothes normally. But because they're female present, so they ask me to put a shirt on. So I believe it's all in the conversation. What's the point of me putting on pants, shirt, and cap, and makeup, and shaving, and all this? Pointless, yeah. So yeah, no, it literally there in English there's that kahavat that the proof of the pudding is in the eating. Now it's the eating, nothing else. Who cares about the bloody plate and the AC working or not? Um, okay, Huma,
and
let's get
just when
back
I
to
thought I could
it's
take over
becoming your
this
dad's
conversation,
podcast.
yeah,
You
it is.
realize
It's
we've only
become.
spoken
It's
about
become.
spitting, what dad did, dad's restaurant, dad's signature dish. But I'm going to take you up on it when life is better. I love eating in
Done.
Delhi. I mean, oof, really,
That's too
one
good.
restaurant after another. Folks, go
But
to
thank you for
Salim's.
the paid, but thank you for the paid promotion, like unpaid promotion. Thanks, appreciate it.
It's all male. I don't know about female. Definitely for males, is a secret desire. We discussed it on our podcast with other people also. All men
Huh.
want to own a restaurant, like in their heads. They feel it's a very macho
Yeah,
thing to do.
yeah,
I got my own restaurant, and
yeah,
you
yeah.
know
हमारे घर आइए खाइए type. That vibe. Please come to our restaurant,
exactly.
eat. It's like
Yeah,
this whole alpha thing. I don't know whatever it is.
yeah. But
Hmm.
I don't have a business brain only. I just want to eat. Now, Maharani. We have to talk about Maharani, or Sony
Yeah,
Liv will get
yeah,
angry.
yeah,
So,
yeah,
little bit about the story. Um, I have nothing here except co-produced by Naren Kumar and Dimple Kharbanda. But is
yeah.
that
Correct.
Kulbhushan's daughter?
No, no, that's not
No.
Kulbhushan's daughter. That's just her name is
No.
Dimple Karbada. She's Subhasa's wife, also producer on the show.
Okay.
And of course, Naren is a producer on the show. What do you want to know about the story or about the
We have
team?
to
Like, what
sell
do you
it.
personally?
We have to sell
Huh?
it for we have to sell the concept so you can make it up also as you go
It's
along.
great. It's great. It's got me, and that's the most important thing anybody needs to know. So watch it just for that, if nothing else. Although I'm not looking so pretty and glamorous, we had no budget. Sony Live didn't give us any
You'll have to wear
money.
the whole pallu
I
thing with
did
the
the whole.
long.
Yeah, basically, I just draped a sari around myself and did no
Yeah.
makeup. So I could just like wake up and walk
No
on set and
makeup.
nobody would know. Yeah,
They never reveal the face, is it? I could have played the role.
you could, but you'd have to shave, right? That would be a problem. So you'd waste 45 minutes on shaving. I didn't have that problem. So that's why I got the part and you didn't.
Yeah, you
Otherwise,
women
there's
don't
not much
understand.
difference.
No, women don't understand this. Shaving is horrible. It's really a bad experience. And now that my wife has started shaving because now we are 49, you don't react, Kuma. Don't. She doesn't watch. We're okay. We're safe for now. All right. So now, is that all you want to say about
Uh,
Maharani? You don't want to say it anymore? That's fine.
uh, it's great. It's coming on May 28th before this crazy man takes this
It's like
conversation to some other
I'm
horrible
putting
areas.
pressure on you.
Please watch
Yeah.
it. Yeah, please watch it. So
No, we'll
20.
keep
No, I'm
mentioning
just
it.
doing
We'll
my
keep
job.
mentioning it.
I'm great. I'm amazing. May 28th, Sony Live. Yeah, continue to more
No,
useless banter.
with all the lockdown happening and all that, I think you're pretty safe in any case because everybody's program that goes on right now is appreciated because people are just starved, and also they appreciate. No, I don't look at that. Sounded terrible. I take it back. You know what I mean? The The thing is that
कुछ भी
people are also
release करो देख ही
no,
लेंगे
no,
कुछ
no, no.
करने को ही नहीं
No,
है.
people are appreciating that you've gone out of your way to shoot. You all shot over 3-4 locations and in the middle of
Yeah,
part one and part two of the lockdown. So I'm sure everybody's quite happy that and that's why I'm saying all the other industries also to be given a chance. I
yeah.
feel very sad when restaurants don't have a chance or gyms, for example, or small things like dance studios. I have a friend who has a dance studio. Uma,
Hmm.
that's their life. They have no option B. They,
Yeah,
they don't have a business or anything, and nobody's going to come. They
yeah,
can't even
yeah.
open it, and that's it. They just like you just destroyed them.
No, no, it's why
I
we keep saying this. I mean, what do you do? But like, I mean, there is no option, which is why we have to think up of a way to like open up the economy, but in a way that people can go back, but still be safe, and also try and vaccinate everyone. I don't know whenever that's going to happen. So
oh
it's
God.
it's like a crazy situation. Yeah, it's a
I think the
messy
government, we have
situation.
so many MPs and MLAs. Why can't they be given a cycle each and lots of vaccines? And they come to your house. Your local MLA, MLC, MP. Between the three of them, they can do my area. What the hell do they do anyway? They don't.
I'm
I
not
mean,
going to respond to
I
that.
don't.
I'll
I
get
want
in
to
trouble.
accountability here. I want some accountability. यार काम क्या करते हैं exactly? Specifically क्या करते हैं लोग? कुछ
See,
तो दिखाओ ना that this is what you do
कुछ
in the day. We don't have anything.
correct,
So
correct.
yeah,
I'm not going to
because
respond to that because you'll get me into trouble. So I'm going to just let you talk.
no, we have to explore this a little bit because I think the responsibility that they keep telling us, responsibility
Hmm.
is citizen, responsibility is citizen. What the hell is the why are you in charge then? This is a crisis. This is where the government should stand up and show how good they are. Look at New Zealand. What is her name? Jacinta something,
Yeah,
famous
yeah,
prime
yeah.
minister. Look at
Correct, correct.
Germany. All the
Yeah.
female leaders of the world with their great statistics, and then look at our guys and some of the other
I'm
countries. Look at
telling you,
Brazil, another
you have to let the women rule this world. That's the only way it's gonna get figured out. Your men are just fucking it up. Like just let us
coming
be. Let us
soon.
do our thing.
Coming soon, Mamta, Mamta,
Maharani.
Mamta.
No. Oh, I thought it was like coming soon. Maharani. Maharani.
You can
Maharani.
add that Mamta Maharani. That's a new avatar.
Again, you'll
Yeah.
get me into trouble. Anyway, people keep saying that your show is about Rabdi Devi, which it is not. Because I was like, just because she's from Bihar doesn't make her Rabdi Devi. Like if show was set in Bengal, it wouldn't be Mamta. You know, like what I mean?
So there's like one reference in the whole state. It's ridiculous that everybody
Yeah,
has.
that's the only reference. Oh, it must be if it's Bihar and Shikhnasam, it must be Rabdi Devi. I was like, no, it's not. Like
So
it
is
could be a work of fiction. It's like everything
so,
is Akbar. Like no,
but is it? Is it Rabri Devi?
no, yeah, it's not. Why would
Oh,
I bring
awkward
it up?
pause. Well, I
No,
tell
it's
you,
not.
Tejaswi's time will come if you want to talk Bihar politics. I personally believe he's going to take over Bihar. He did resoundingly well, and with just the right alliance, he would have won last time. So let's see.
I would love to talk politics with you, but I don't talk dirty, so I'm not going
Hmm.
to.
Women will change India. Huma, I'm telling you, I have great faith in my daughter. They're more
Okay.
maternal, they're more loving, they're more ferocious, and they're more sincere. These are all the qualities men don't have.
I agree
Uh,
with you wholeheartedly. How old is your daughter?
she's 14, but I have only alpha females in the house. So for me, I'm one of those battered Indian men of real minority. Nobody understands us. But
There
I
is
believe in woman Shakti, power, whatever you want to call it. And as you
there is
saw recently
nothing
in
called battered Indian male. It doesn't exist. It only exists in the minds of men who want to watch
they
TV and not do
Uma, they
household
all
chores.
shouted me. They all shouted me. They treat me really badly. They all treat me with condescension and disdain and little bit of arrogance.
But
It's not
Cyrus, you
right.
must deserve it now. Just think about
Ah,
it.
of
You
course,
must be
100%.
deserving.
There's
Then
no question. No lawyer can help me on this one. Huma, let's go into your life. You're wasting time with silly conversation with me. Let's
oh,
start in the
okay.
beginning. I mean,
Mhm.
Vasepur, I think, was where everybody knows. That's the thing where made
Yeah.
you famous. But let's go a little bit behind. The very interesting. You're a history major. Your dad's a
Mhm.
restaurateur. Your mom's Kashmiri. It's a nice mix. And you grew up in Delhi, which is always fun being
Delhi.
female. I presume in the Delhi.
I'm a South
Uh,
Delhi girl, okay?
you're a South.
South
Okay,
Delhi.
You're a
Even
posh
worse.
Delhi girl.
Even
So you don't know
worse.
my friend. You don't know my friend Sushil Kumar,
No, I
twice
don't know your friend.
Olympic
No,
medalist,
no,
who
no. Should I?
recently
No.
who recently killed a man for no reason whatsoever. We'll find out
No,
the
I
reason
don't know
later.
him.
Give us a little bit of the background. It's interesting to know how you landed up, and then we'll just quickly look at some of the work you've done. But what was it
Landed
like
up in
growing
Bombay?
up? No,
Growing up
in Delhi.
confused. Yeah. I grew up as any other confused kid in life. Didn't know what to do. Knew what I hated. Didn't know what I loved. So I had to figure that out. And of course, dad lived in Delhi, mom's family was in Kashmir. They put me to some fancy school where people were listening to Backstreet Boys. So I was a very, very confused kid when I was growing up. But I think in college I figured I liked doing theater, and I thought, the boys thought I was pretty, so maybe I had a shot at acting.
कट द प्रोग्राम. इतनी बड़ी ईगो मैं देखा नहीं कभी लाइफ में यार. अमिताभ बच्चन से शाहरुख खान तक मैं देखा नहीं. What is going on here? The boys thought I was pretty. Okay. I say,
I mean,
North Indian
but
boys are so different because they.
we've established men are stupid, so I can't help it. If they have
Yeah,
poor
that's true.
taste, but what can I do
No,
about
no.
it?
No, but in the north also they hold the gaze too long. I've spoken to boys. They say, boss, एक point होता है where you have to stop staring because then it
Yeah,
becomes
yeah, yeah.
intimidating. They just never
Then it
get that.
becomes a crime. Then it's criminal.
Yeah, yeah. And then they don't know what they've done wrong. But मैंने क्या किया? You stare for 15 minutes. The girl is passing. You know better than all of us. So
Oh,
Huma, you grew
yes.
up very pretty in college, and then you
No, no, no,
explored
no, no.
acting.
That was a joke. That was a joke. Silence. That was a joke. The joke was,
See, luckily you are pretty, so then it's fine. It's like Muhammad Ali talking and being cheeky and all because he was great. So you couldn't say anything about him because he backed it up. So you're fine. It's
no,
when
but
those really ugly women come on our program, Huma Qureshi, I can't name names, and then say, "Yeah, मैं बहुत सुंदर हूँ" and all that, and we're all like, we don't know where to look.
when
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Did you just call women ugly? Like, that's so wrong in the current climate wherein you can't do that. Every woman is unique. Silence.
This is opposite Me Too, reverse Me Too case, right? Because instead of coming on, you're not coming on. It's like that. I get it. We have to explore this in law. Yeah.
Oh
No, but why
God.
is it that some I find it amazing as discusses with my wife sometimes that some women have low self-esteem but really good looking and wear all these wrong clothes, and some women have no idea how they don't fit in those clothes but wear them with great confidence. You see that in America a lot, for example. Really.
No, I feel like, I mean, this whole thing of like, who's to say what is good? And I'm sorry, I'm gonna go a little feminist on you right now, but I really believe this because I'm just like, enough, na, matlab, who are we dressing for? I'm not dressing for you guys, we're dressing for ourselves. So if I'm fitting into it, not fitting into it, I want to go out naked, it's really my problem. It's not anybody's problem. Can we just
You
let
sold
that be?
Maharani. I think you sold Maharani with that very statement. House full. If it was back in theaters, it was a full length film. House full. Okay, okay.
You are
Where are you
making
going?
me say
Don't
all
leave.
this. You're making me
No,
say all this. I don't want to
I'm
say
just
all
trying
this.
to find out where because in the bio that I've got, there's no mention of the school college thing. Was there a moment when you decided to become an
Um,
actress? What were you going to get into dad's business? What were
uh,
you going to do?
college theater, I think that's when I decided. Also, like, I started doing a lot of auditions, so they started calling me. So I mean, I was just a kid growing up in Delhi. I thought, "Arey, but such important people, casting directors are, calling me for audition. Must be doing something right." And my dad was damn against the idea. I thought it was foolish. He thought I was gonna get kidnapped or somebody was gonna sell me off, and like Bollywood is bad, and like he thought it was an awful. And he thought I was, out of all his sons, I was the most what.
Sorry to interrupt, but was Bollywood bad?
No, it's as bad as, I don't know, stand up.
Stand up is very bad towards women. There's a huge problem going on. Huh.
True, true, true. That is also true. No, but I mean, I would say that I didn't have it so hard. Of course, I had the whole personal journey of like slugging it out and like dealing with rude people who just don't know how to talk to women or human beings in general. But I don't think, and I had my fair share of disappointments and being rejected and all of that. But I wouldn't say like it's bad in that sense. I feel like it's like any other profession, and you've got to like, just go through with it. You have to like do your thing and have tremendous amounts of patience and be open to being, criticized. So have a major thick skin. That's what I think.
So I'm writing it down. Huma Qureshi never suffered. It was an easy walk straight into success and fame. So first came modeling, right? Is this right?
First came, yeah,
Ad films.
when I came here, I met this lady called Amita Nagpal, and she gave me this wonderful piece of advice. I haven't spoken to her in years, but she actually said something which really changed my life. She was like, "Don't go and go for film auditions. Do ads, make your money, let the films come to you." Which I thought was great advice because I did exactly that, and that's how I did my ads with, I don't know, all the successful ad filmmakers and actors of that time, and got gangs of Wasseypur. That's how it really happened. So as opposed to me going and meeting film producers and getting rejected,
So
which I would have really broken my spirit.
no, but so he came to you. Anurag Kashyap came to you. He
I
saw
did an
an
ad.
ad or he knew the ad film.
No, I
Huh.
worked on an ad with him. The ad was for a
Oh,
mobile phone. I was playing Amir Khan's girlfriend in it, and Anurag was directing it. So, and we
This
shot for
sounds
that
familiar.
ad for, yeah, it was a very cute ad, like, "Tu rak phone, nahi tu rak," very
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah,
that kind
yeah,
of
yeah, yeah,
vibes.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So that's when he told me, "I'm going to cast you in a film." So I thought he was joking, and I was being my Delhi cocky self. So I was like, "ऐसे थोड़ी होता है." Like, I've heard it's very difficult to get a film, so I'm sure it's going to be hard. But he was very sweet, and he said, "No, no, this is a film," which was like this ensemble film with like 500 actors, and like I had like what,
Really?
I think 15 minutes of screen time, but what a film. It really changed my life, and I'm so glad I did it because I mean, I was so stupid. I had no understanding what we were making. I thought my parents were asking me, "What is this film? You've been shooting for this for like 3 months. You shot for it a year ago. It's still not released." I said, "I have no idea. कुछ तो अच्छा बना रहे हैं. I don't know. Ask me what it is." So that I actually had no clue till actually I saw the film for the first time in Cannes at the festival. And I'm like, what? These people like this so much? Like, what's going on? They don't even follow the accent or the language, but they really enjoyed it. And I was like, okay, I think I've become part of accidentally something very important, which I had no control over. So I think that's why I really believe in destiny. That you sometimes you tumble onto something interesting without even knowing fully well what it is about. So yeah,
But,
that's the
but
journey.
there's a big lie in the film, which is there is no Wasipur actually. It's a made up
There is
name.
Vasipur. No, there's
There is a
Dhanbad.
Wasipur,
There's Dhanbad. Yes, there's Vasipur is there.
but it's
It's
called
near
Wasipur. I
Dhanbad.
googled it. I couldn't find it.
Really?
Yeah.
No, there's a place called Dhanbad and
Huh.
Vasipur. So all the stories come out of Dhanbad. So that's where this whole thing is from. But there are many people I've met after that who said, like, I've never been to Vasipur. We shot the film in Banaras
Hmm.
because we couldn't shoot there. Apparently, it's not really safe for women or whatever. Never mind. So they said, no, 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 you
But
can't go there. We even wanted to go there for promotions, but we were not like we were asked not to because I think it's not a very, I don't know, safe place. But I met a lot of people since who saying हम तो वहां से ही हैं, हम धनबाद से हैं, वसीपुर से हैं, वो कहानी में हमारा कैरेक्टर भी था, हमने वो प्ले किया था. So I'm like, okay, nice to meet you. Don't call
wow.
me again.
But the parents,
Yeah.
your parents like the performance in the film.
My dad thought there were too many galis in the film. So when he saw part one, he after the interval, he just like did the sharp turn towards me, like, "You're also abusing this much in the film." I said, "No, Dad, I'm the sweet one in the film. No galis for me." So, but I think my mom really enjoyed it. She really, really enjoyed it. My brother loved it. Dad was a bit like not sure. He just thought it was too abusive, too many
Yeah,
galis.
but that's considering he's a Dali guy, where bloody galis are just in the atmosphere from morning to night. But I suppose nobody wants their daughter to be part of some huge gali
Correct.
galoch
The little
drama tribe.
angel suddenly being
Yeah,
like, "Eh,
yeah,
tera ye
suddenly.
wo blah blah
Without
blah."
saying shut up or Batamiz or something like that, and then suddenly straight to MCBC. Like, what the hell, yaar? When did you graduate? How did this happen? Okay, quick, we have to
My
go to break.
Nalli
Let's.
Pari is grown up.
I keep getting distracted by the Nalli. I'm thinking about that only. I'm trying to think how can I get my hands on some now. Okay, so there's so much that you've done now. I can't talk about everything, so you tell us. Badlapur, which I mean, it's mean to ask you. What is the thing close to your heart? Out of all these, you've done shorts, you've done De Dish Kya, you've done. I mean, why am I telling you Jolly LLB2, which
Which
is a
one
big
have
film?
you seen and you like? Okay, let me reverse the question.
No, because
Which?
I got my producer wants to talk about something very important, which has driven him mad, and you have no idea. There's a director called Zack
Who's
Snyder who I never heard of as usual, and he said, "Hey, he's done 300 and he's done JLA." JLA, I thought is some rock star, turns out to be Justin Bieber of America, and he has done a zombie film called Army of the Dead. So,
hmm.
and apparently he's like top five directors of the world, etc., etc. And you worked with him in Army of the Dead. Is this true? With the great
Yeah,
wrestler Dave Bautista, who we grew up watching.
yeah, that guy. My brother was
Ah,
so
so
excited. He had all these
there you go.
questions for me to ask Dave Bautista. He's like, ask him about this, that. And I was like, I have no idea. I look very silly asking him all this stupid random shit. But yeah, I just did a film. It's released on the 14th in a theater in theaters in America. And now it's
Did it
come
come
on
here?
Netflix on the 21st. Yeah, it's on Netflix.
It's on. I'm going to watch it. I like the genre.
And it's
Don't give
zombies.
it
So
away.
you'll feel right at
I,
home.
I, yeah, it's like my family. But are you? Don't give it away. But are you a, you know, zombie like person, or are you
And
the? No, no. Your
I've
character
done
is.
no. Oh, like am I playing a zombie? I can't tell
Yeah,
you
yeah, yeah.
that. Cyrus, I can't tell you that. You have to watch the film. Like You've got a Netflix subscription. You already paid for it. At least like make the most of it. Now, why do you want to ask me for the storyline?
No, I'm going to
Basic.
watch it. Me and Silvery, our producer, who's now become your biggest fan. See, the
Oh,
Angrez touch that
hi.
we still have. You've done 25 movies and 45,000 ads and all, but the one Zack Snyder film. And yeah, he's going to come on after the break anyway. So now you're not
Yay.
okay. I'll tell you what. Let's take a break anyway because you've spoken too much. Really, I don't know how
I
guests just go on. How much can you talk here, Uma? We haven't covered anything. Maharani, don't forget to promote Maharani. We can always have
20th
you
May,
back.
Maharani Sony Lib. My job is done.
Wow.
This is why I was
Yeah.
called here.
So your brother followed you into acting, or because
He
who
followed
came
me
out
to
first?
Bombay. He followed me to Bombay, but his film released few months before mine. So he is technically my industry senior, which he
He's
always like.
senior.
Yeah. So
Ah,
his film came in October and mine came in June next year. So whatever,
that's a
5, 6.
that's a sad story. Yeah, oops.
That's
He's always
very
going to be the
sad.
senior now.
Because
Yeah.
it was like, I'm the actor, I do theater, I want to be like the cinema person, and he's just like chilling and girls and cricket, and he follows me to Bombay, and then he gets a film, and that film releases before mine. He never
Wow.
let me hear the end of it. Yeah, it was quite
Are
horrible.
you are you
I'm
are
still
you
scarred.
competitive?
We are competitive, but he's also like I'm very close to him, so he's like my baby. So I'm super protective of him. I think I'm more protective than he is of me. So I'm always like, who's that girl you're talking to, and what's going on, and blah blah blah. So I mother him a lot, which he hates, but I can't help myself. It is how it is.
And how does dad and mom treat his career?
How do dad and mom treat his career or him? Because him
No,
they
him
treat
as
very
in
badly.
you said dad was a little uncomfortable with Wasipur and all that. With him,
No,
is
no,
it
no,
any
no.
different?
No, no, no. I think they both have graduated with us. Like we made them get
They've
okay with
accepted.
the idea, accept it. Now they're like, now we can't do anything about it. This is what you do, so we have to just go with it and deal with it. But now I think they're very proud of both of us. It just took a while for Delhi parents to get used to their kids not doing the family business and the respectable restaurant business and get into this Bombay thing. So yeah, but now they're here. In fact, they're in Bombay right now with me. Thank God, and they're not stuck in Delhi because I would be petrified
Well,
right now with the whole
equally bad.
Corona
I think Mumbai
situation.
is slightly better right now, but yeah, it's
Yeah.
almost equally bad. We all should be in London. That's where we should be right now.
We
Maybe you can
all should
open a
be. I would
Salim's
rather
there.
be in LA right now with
Okay,
promoting my Zack Snyder
there you
movie.
go. Do that and open a Salim's there, and I'll be part of the business plan. And we'll say it'll be written there, Salim's, father of Huma Qureshi. Because, NRIs and Indians, they love all that. So they'll come running in to eat. Even the vegetarians will come to the restaurant. We'll make lots of money. Trust me, I've got a great business plan. Okay, Huma, stay where you are. We're taking a
It's a
break and
great
bringing.
plan. It's a great plan, but you eat all the food, so you can't be my partner.
Hey, no man should have a business they're not interested in. Shouldn't it be that you are a foodie and then you have a restaurant business? I don't understand how people are divorced from their business. Guys who run things and have nothing to do with it for whatever reason. We have to bring in Silvery, your big fan. Silvery, come in as we take a break, and I think we have to say something in the break. Do we have to say something in the
Yes, we have.
break?
Yes, we do, Cyrus.
Okay. Okay, can I ask Huma to join me? Huma, please take down notes. It's
Yeah.
very important. What are you
Okay.
doing? That looked like the early Narasimha Rao. What was that?
What do I have
What
to
you,
do?
you pouted? No, we've got to do this.
I pouted.
Yeah, you went like this.
Hmm.
My colleague
I'm doing
Cyrus
Narasimha
Saukar
Rao.
used to do that all. Okay, let's be careful now. When I say it, it's okay. When you say it, something people are going to say, "Oh." I'm not someone who believes in credit, but these days I find myself using my credit card more and more because if I pay my credit card bills on credit, I get amazing rewards and cashback. My question: what do you get if you pay your credit card bills on credit?
Cred.
Uma? Uh,
What is the
amazing,
answer?
amazing rewards and cashback.
Amazing rewards and cashback.
Yes,
That's
yes, you're paying attention. Honestly, this is the kind of validation I was waiting for in my life. Just download Cred.
just
You like
download
that ad?
Cred. I
Yeah, the
love
way you
those
did it.
ads.
That was the gully boy
Download Cred.
touch. Just
Yeah.
download Cred. Just download Cred.
Just download
Now
Cred.
let's
I
introduce
love those
Silvery.
ads. They're so cool.
Oh,
Hi.
you mean the Rahul
Hey, hi,
Dravid and all
Uma. How
those
are you?
ads?
Oh, so good. So good.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, now she's given
Hi,
two
Uma. How
minutes
are
to
you doing?
enjoy the ad.
No, no.
then we'll talk to
Yeah,
her.
yeah.
Silvery, go
Yes.
ahead. You're the Zack Snyder. I hope I got his name right. Zack
No,
Yeah,
no. I
yeah.
Snyder
was just
fan.
that's such a cool, impressive thing that to have worked with Zack Snyder. How did that happen? Did he
Thank
get
you.
in touch with you or?
I was in LA. I was actually meeting some people for something else, and my agents were like, "Arey, you're here. Do you want to go? This is really big film being cast. Do you want to go and audition?" And I was like, "Fuck that." Can I say the F word? I just said it.
Fuck it
Yeah,
now.
yeah,
You
yeah,
said it
absolutely.
now.
Okay. So
After Wasipur, Dad has approved everything. Let it be now. It's done.
I don't know. Maybe it's a prudish podcast. I just want to be sure, na. Matlab, what can I say? What I can't say. So anyway, so I was there and I was like, I'll just go and like read some lines and have fun. And I went over there and I saw these people with these printouts and like being very serious. And I hadn't done an audition in a while, so I thought it'd be fun. They were familiar with my work in Leila, which was a good thing. I mean, the whole Netflix thing, since it's a Netflix film. Did
Ah.
my lines, I came back, and I think I came back. Thursday I did my audition. Saturday I ccame back, and Monday they called me saying, "Do you want to do the film?" And I was like, "Yeah." Like
But
that's how it happened.
but did you have to dress up like a zombie and all that? I mean, in the audition or just like the way it is?
No, I went as myself, and they said, "Perfect, you'll make a great zombie." So they were just convinced with my natural
Got
look.
you. So you are a zombie. You are a zombie. Got you. Superb. Superb. Yeah. Was it scary? When you shoot these kind of films, are they also scary to shoot or are they just scary for us?
No. They're not scary at all. In fact, it's all VFX. So it's actually just like people just doing stuff and all green screen and all. But I'm not playing a zombie. So yeah, watch the film, Cyrus.
Are you the good guy or the bad girl or like is there anything like that? Give us something. We will watch it. Everybody's going to watch it.
Okay,
I'm worried Maharani
okay.
promotion has gone down and Zack Snyder's Army of the Dead has gone up. So we need to balance it again. Oh.
No, I mean, I think I'm playing one of the. So the film, of course, is a zombie film, but what I love about it is a lot more than that. So it's got a lot of like a little bit of a political overtone and this whole thing. So, as in any kind of situation, whether it's a pandemic or a zombie outbreak, there's always this group of people that are the most hit, right? So my character is of like an Indian woman who's in a camp of sort where they're detaining people. Of course, they're pretending that it's because they could be potential zombie whatever carriers, but actually it's because of who they are and how they look. And how she basically is
Oh, it's
trying
a
to
metaphor of our society. Ah.
so how she's trying to get out of that situation, and yeah, then what happens? And then of course everybody has this. There are these guys who are going into because Vegas is this place where all the zombies are. And they're contained over there in that sense. So it's very cool. Like the first 10 minutes of the film, I'm not even in there in the first 10 minutes, but it's genius because of the way he shot it. It's just so much like blood
It's
and
a bit
guts
like
and
the
ugh.
Yeah.
Huma, is it a bit like the COVID bubble where you can't get out of it and you're stuck there and then people start looking like they're lifeless when they pass you?
I feel a lot of people will find a lot of similarities with how they what is going on right now. I mean, it did seem like the whole quarantine zone, all those things are floating around, but it's fun. It was a lot of fun, and
Did you
I mean,
but
I
did
always wondered how did they shoot these big films, So it
but
was
did you
cool to
did you
kind
know
of be.
like how Silvery knows the guy and all because he's a film buff and all? You knew this guy was such a big name and all that, or you just went for the
I mean,
audition and slowly found out?
no, I knew who he was. Of course, I'd seen his films. I'd seen Justice League. I'd seen 300. I'd seen like all his films. But I'd seen Dawn of the Dead, which is like his first film he ever
Yep.
made, which was a zombie film. And then he made this one after so many years. So of course I knew, but you just go and you're like, nobody knows me here. I'm just gonna go and see what it's like,
No
just to
pressure.
get a
Huh.
sense of it. No pressure. So it was kind of cool. It was kind of cool to kind of get it.
So
And
how far do you think? How far do you think Bollywood or Indian movies would be to something like that at this scale? Like we have had our zombie movies like Go Go Gone, but maybe the
Yeah.
scale is this big.
that's the only
It's really
one.
big.
I don't think there's another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think
I don't
there's
think
another
so.
one. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, like somebody asked me, like, what's the difference between doing a film in Hollywood and Bollywood? I was like, listen, I've done all sorts of films. I've done like small independent films. I've done these big blockbuster films. I've done films in regional
Highway.
languages. I've done a film like a Marathi film like Highway. I've done series. Now I'm doing a series for Sony Live called Maharani coming on 28th of May. So I've done the
Maharani
whole
20th
thing.
of May. Huh.
So
Yeah.
because of so I feel ultimately it's about like my job as an actor is the same, right? Between action and cut, I have to do my acting and remember my lines and not mess it up. Apart from that, it's just a question of production value and how much money you have to spend on it. So I'm sure if we get the kind of budgets to do stuff
But
here,
but
go
professionalism and
go.
all coming on time, behaving properly, doing their rehearsals,
But
the
I
technician.
listen. I do that here also, so I don't I didn't find that any different. I mean,
चलो
Indian
ये सब
actors are
नए
little
नए
more
बच्चे
spoiled.
नए बच्चे ऐसा सब करते हैं. They spoil our name. We are the Salman generation. You know, when
No,
the hero
no.
will
I
decide
think
what time is pack up, what time is starting. Oh, I miss those
no.
days. Yeah, now they're all
You know,
professionals. Thank you.
I actually think this is what my understanding of current Hindi cinema is, that a lot of these older actors used to be like what Cyrus is saying, that nahi nahi karna hai
Hmm.
mere ko rehearsal. I think a
Fully,
lot of these new
the male
actors,
hero dominated the entire culture. Fully,
yeah,
yeah.
I think that's what. So, but now
I've
I
listen.
think the
I've
current
also
actors are like
heard all
actually
these
very
stories.
serious about. Yeah, I think
Yeah,
the
I've
current wave of
also
actors have to
heard
be very
these.
serious about what they do. Yeah.
I've also heard these amazing stories of how people used to behave, and I honestly I love them, and I don't see them around me. I'm like, why is everyone so boring and so professional? Why is some excitement not happening?
But
But
even with the
to be
press,
honest,
yeah.
yeah, to be
Sorry,
honest,
go
the
on, go on, go
few
on.
senior actors I worked with in my career, whether it's been the late
Names?
if like the late Irfan, Rishi Kapoor, Akshay Kumar, who I'm working with, I found him extremely
Akshay is great with
professional.
time. Yeah.
He's great. So I don't know. Like I mean, of course, I would love to work with somebody like like that explosive because it would make for great stories for grandchildren. But I've not come across. And yeah, you're right. I think the current lot of actors are very professional. There's so much like inbuilt professionalism that if you don't do something, that word travels. So you're very conscious that, hey, I don't want to be that actor who comes late or throws a fit. I think that
Hmm.
we're hyper aware of. Plus, social
Well,
media
I
doesn't
was.
help.
Uh,
Like a
That's
camera
true.
in
no, but
everybody's face.
Silvery, I did this penthouse with Netflix during the between the two lockdowns, and Sharman Joshi brought mint onto the thing. One day he was telling me, no, you have to carry it. And it's like the men are more careful about all these things. I'm like, are you mad? Who carries breath mint on a set? But they're very serious about all these things. The men have become more like the women, is what I've
What?
noticed, which is a good thing. Huma, don't say anything. It's a very good thing. Yeah, she's not reacting. What is that ring on your finger? On the other hand,
That's my stylist gave me some ring. I'm doing some video interviews apart from this podcast, so they had to dress me up a little bit because I was in my really dirty
oh,
clothes, and they were like, "You have to bathe today, and you have to put on clean clothes and wear some makeup." So this is part of my look.
yeah. Have you met my Egyptian cousin, Peter? What the hell is wrong with you? There's a professional going on here. There's no way to behave here. Come on, man.
Oh man,
Are
Uh,
you?
adorable.
Is that your twin?
yeah, yeah. He's as thin as a reed. The Saluki. There's no fat whatsoever. It's amazing and eats everything. Okay,
Oh, he's
let's. Shall we start
adorable.
the AMAs?
Yes,
Have we
sure. Let's
covered
get to the
Maharani?
EMAs.
Because that was our main job. We've done it. Maharani, 28th
Yeah, yeah.
May. Don't miss it. She's worked very hard. Huma has
Yes.
in that film, wearing a sari which was with gold and all on it, and it weighed her down. Did you have a lot of jewelry? No,
What are you
there's
saying?
no
How can you
jewelry,
brief
and
you?
it's
Have you
not.
seen the trailer?
I
One
got
second.
Rabri Devi in my head. I'm just thinking.
Why would she?
Oh,
One second. A, she's not
where are
Rabri
you
Devi.
going?
Number one.
What are
Huh?
you
I'm
doing?
not.
Sit like a lady. How can you sit like that? Maya, come here. Oh, sorry. I'm just kidding.
What am I doing?
Uh, your knee suddenly
Ek to
popped
she's not
up.
very.
Uh,
My knees. You have a
yeah.
problem with my knees.
No, no, listen, don't. I'll sound like an
Stop
MCP.
being
I'm just
this
Cyrus,
having
moral.
stop.
fun, for God's sake.
Yeah.
I get beaten
Stop
up.
being such a
My
moral
wife.
police. Huh? And my elbow. Do you have a problem with my elbow also now? Huh? Stop
God, she
sounding
sounds like
like
my. Suddenly, she
Taliban.
sounds like my family now. I'm getting a little worried. Straight away, the panga has started for no reason, man. I'll go hide.
You started it. You started it.
I was talking about Zack Snyder. मैंने नाम नहीं लिखा है because it's an odd name. I couldn't remember it.
You're the only one. Somebody called it Jack Snyder. I took me half an hour to tell them it's not
Check.
Jack, it's Zach. Like, can you imagine?
But that's okay.
I'm
That's a cultural thing. You shouldn't take it badly. Jack, Zach. I think in Marathi, it becomes anyway. So it becomes Zach. Brother
Jaila.
Zach. Zail.
Zaila.
Zach Ayla means Zach's mother. Why be saying that? Okay.
Well, I don't know why. I have
AMAs.
no idea. I don't understand. I'm just repeating what you said. Huh?
You did a Marathi film.
I didn't speak Marathi.
Not one word. I want to do
I
those kind
spoke.
of films.
You know how to tie a sari or wear a sari?
I do.
If
I
you
mean,
know
I don't
that,
know
they'll
how to
take
do it,
you.
but I have worn it for some stupid show. I have worn a sari.
Yeah.
Took a long time. I have even waxed my entire body. Boss, for Women's Day special. Very painful. 4 hours they people took the hair out, two of us. Oh,
You
and the
could have
neck
just
and
shaved.
no, but then I used to walk my dogs when I come back normally wearing my shorts,
Mm.
and my legs look like, I mean, they just look like, oh, I can't tell you. Why are we discussing this? We have to sell Maharani. Silvery,
Yeah, so
wake up.
I'm not
Yes.
wearing gold jewelry in Maharani.
But it's
Come
not Rabri
back.
Devi. Let's just make it clear.
It's not Dabri Devi. It's a fictional character. She's a housewife, village woman, illiterate, and how her husband nominates her to be chief minister, and she becomes the chief minister. And now she has to deal with all these
Oh.
men. You haven't seen the trailer, have you, Cyrus?
You think a professional like me would not have done his homework? ये जैक स्नाइडर के बारे में जितना जानकारी है मेरे पास आए 300 किसने बताया 300 जे
You
एल
are
ए
just
आर्मी ऑफ
behaving
द
like a
डेड
brown man obsessed with Gora Dhanka.
coconut they call coconut brown from brown from inside what is it white from inside brown from
White
outside
from
yeah
inside,
that's a
brown from
coconut
outside.
brown from inside they have
You
the
don't
best
care
nalli
about.
Salim's it's named after her dad
Okay.
hey Sylvie, you have any
Will
you don't
go,
have any place
yes.
left in Delhi now but in case somebody takes you in you can go and eat
Yeah,
God, I
sure.
want to spend
Done.
No.
when lockdown is over I want to go to Delhi just to eat for 1 week.
Please call
Yeah,
me.
that'll be great.
I will send you some amazing food. I promise you. I
I'll
promise.
find it. Don't worry. Now in this day and age, you don't have to do anything. I won't do that. That's wrong. I have to just go quietly and eat. That's what we'll do.
Fine. I just offered you free food. It's your choice. Take it.
I'm
Yeah.
offering you away, never having to have contact with me again. Most people will say thank you. Oh, that's the one decent thing I've done on the show. Your dad, if you watch it, will be there. "Ah, beta, well done, well done. Get rid of this guy. Chalo, AMA. Sarji,
All right.
Silveru.
EMA.
Let's get to the AMAs. All right.
Yeah.
The first one comes from Shriram Jha. He says, "Hi, Cyrus and guest. Hope you're all doing well. I recently learned how to cook during the lockdown and have just landed. Sorry, and just recently landed a job as an intern chef at a 5-star in Mumbai. All in this lockdown.
Hey,
Isn't that crazy?
this doesn't make sense,
What is the
bro.
best thing?
He 5-star chef is never. You're not going to get a 5-star chef ka job because you learned at home. I don't buy that. That sounds. Sriram, there's
He's
something
saying
wrong in
you
this.
got an internship. He's like, you can get an internship. Like you got to cut stuff. I think you got to just cut onions and potatoes. I think that's possible.
Must be some
Being an
influence.
intern.
It's a hugely competitive area. I have a couple
It's
of friends in
possible.
catering and all. It's not
Maybe
easy.
maybe he has
Ask
like
her. Maybe she knows better.
some uncle.
What
Uma,
does
what
it
do you
Anyway,
really
his
think?
do?
question
Like,
is his question is
he has a
not
question, this
compared
guy.
to that. His question is, what is the best thing that has happened to you in the lockdown that surprised even you? So even he's surprised by his internship.
Oh, like that.
Am I? Huma, you take the question first because they'll be more interested in what you have to say.
No, I want to know what you have to say first.
No, for me it's very simple. Grooming. My grooming because normally I do a 23-second bath. I brush my teeth on alternate days, and so the whole grooming exercise became longer because I had nothing to do. So the bath became
Ah.
longer. I also I didn't realize that calf ka hair, the ball on your calf, you can actually comb it. So these because then you got to do something right to kill time. Yeah, like I said, my wife and I are of an age where everything is similar now. We've got the same issues everywhere, so so we exchange notes. So grooming was big. Because I've never been much
Okay.
of a groomer. Don't judge by this beautiful face. Your turn,
I'm
Huma.
shocked.
Okay. Over you, Mom.
The one thing that I discovered, I think writing. I ended up spending a lot of time. As an actor, one is always dependent on other people's words and the material they give you. So I think I turned to towards writing this lockdown. I actually managed to finish something interesting. So half
I worked
interesting.
with, but
Yeah,
so
sorry.
is your Urdu very good? Or because you grew up in
मैं
Delhi, do you
उर्दू
speak good Hindi Urdu? Or
I speak
because I
हाँ
know
मैं मेरी हिंदी
Kashmiri Hindi is not that great. I've just
no
worked
no
with
no
a young Kashmiri boy called Abrar, and it's almost as bad as mine. So
no मेरी मेरी हिंदी भी बहुत अच्छी है मेरी उर्दू भी बहुत अच्छी है मैं दोनों भाषाएं बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक बोल लेती हूँ ज्यादा अच्छे से नहीं बोल
और
पाती तो मतलब आई एम लाइक एनी अदर किड ग्रोइंग अप इन दिल्ली ना तो मेरी अंग्रेजी एकदम ठीक है या खालिस है ना मेरी उर्दू ठीक है दोनों मैं टूटी फूटी बोल लेती हूँ आप आपकी हिंदी कैसी है
वो अभी तो ठीक है फिलहाल बीमार था पर अब तो बेटर हो गया वैक्सीन के बाद
बेटर हो गया वैक्सीन के बाद
now that's my Hindi. Now, if I make my mother speak, then you'll know that my Hindi is very good. Okay, from where I come from. She
no
just, she
my
just, she
mother
just took,
yeah what
she just took a call saying, "Abhi, Baba पीछे phone करेगा for call back." So पीछे phone करेगा. So now that person is dealing with it for the next 15-20 minutes because they don't want to elderly voice, so they don't want to have that batamizi quality about asking, "Ma'am, I didn't understand" or whatever. So it ends there. Sorry.
Sad.
No, I was asking because you said you're writing. So your writing is Do you write also in
English.
Hindi or Urdu? Or,
English,
oh, you write in
English,
English.
English, English,
What a
English.
bloody waste. मैं भी English में write करता इसमें क्या है? I thought you'd be doing some
Rubbish.
special. I
नहीं
thought
यार,
we
इतनी
found
अच्छी
the
हिंदी
next
नहीं.
Premchand या Iqbal या Haq or something. And what is this? What comes out? Just Miss Qureshi is writing in English like the teacher
Yeah,
in
yeah, yeah, yeah.
LSR.
Can you
No, but
imagine? So
she, but
boring.
she,
So
but
boring. I'm
Uma
sorry
can
to
write,
disappoint you.
but Uma can write Hindi in English. No, like in English words,
I
you can write
Oh,
know,
Hindi.
that's
but
You
the
can't do that.
worst, yaar. That is the
You
worst.
can't.
Considering,
Yeah.
you know, and then
यार
now
पता
after
है
many years, they only write it like that and give it to you. Huh.
That's
दिक्कत
true.
क्या होगी
Yeah.
ना, हम ऐसी अनपढ़ और जाहिल कौम है कि ना हम हिंदी ठीक से बोल पाते हैं ना अंग्रेजी ठीक से
Correct.
बोल पाते हैं. लाइक आई थिंक इन इंग्लिश एंड आई स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, बट जो मेरा एक्सप्रेशन है वो बेस्ट वो पंजाबी निकलता है, क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली में पली
Wow.
बड़ी हूँ. तो बाय माय डिफॉल्ट, yeah, my default mode is Punjabi, which is half of it is gali galot, so I can't even say this over there. So I'm really confused in that sense, like completely like fragmented like that. Because I grew up amongst
Uma,
Punjabi kids, so in my head I'm
call the
Punjabi.
police. Call the police. Some man walked out from behind you. I don't know. Strange guy just got up and walked out. Who was that?
You just stole something and went. Yeah.
And you're, what is it? Army of the Living Dead? What is it? Army of the Dead. Army of the
Army
Dead.
of the Dead.
What is, he
Yeah,
looked like a
he's
zombie.
just
He just walked like
he's
that
my
without any emotion. कौन है?
he's my spot boy.
Oh, it's quite handsome. Quite handsome. वो lighting की बात है उसमें ना. You don't light properly, you don't see the person properly यार. Don't
You know,
take it
you've just
personally.
made such sexist comments today about women and their bodies and their clothes, and now you have a problem with a man just
I
because he's
swear to you.
fucking dark.
No, I didn't say all that. Don't do that. Yeah,
You
please.
you
I'm actually
implied
quite a
that.
liberal.
What?
I'm on the most wanted list, government's most wanted list. We are very critical. I have no
You
friends.
have tried to drag me into a political debate all evening, and I have refrained and been like, "मुझे politics नहीं
Because I
समझ
just want people
आता."
to fight against the lockdown. No one is joining me in fighting against this lockdown. They're just backing off from saying if lockdown both ho gaya, there's a limit to it. It's just nonsense.
Have you considered people want to fight the lockdown but don't want to join you? That could be an option. They're like,
That's
we'll
true. See,
fight it.
you're high profile, so I'll let it be. You're high profile, and we'll let it go for now. We have to wait for a better political climate where we can talk more freely. Till then, I understand that. I understand where you're coming from. But young man, are we doing any more AMAs, or should I
Yes,
walk my
let's do one.
dogs?
Let's do one more quick one. Bhavish Kumar asks, this is the last one. Bhavish Kumar asks, "Hey Cyrus and guest, Cyrus, you've been in the entertainment industry for so many years. Wanted to ask, who is a director or producer that you have worked with only once but would kill to work with again, and why?"
Oh, Mahesh Mathai, who's sort of
Ah,
retired. He was an ad filmmaker, very famous in the old days. He did that Bhopal Express. I don't know if you guys have seen this
yes.
film about the whole
Yeah.
Bhopal tragedy and all.
I love
What
it
I
and I
like
love
about him,
Mahesh. Yeah.
yeah, but the only thing is that I think in the whole business, he's the only guy who may be faster than I am. Okay, because the only way I like to work is really fast, and I have no patience, and I love that about him. I cried when I came home and the ad was over. Cadbury ad we shot, and in one take. And I remember his second was saying something. Sorry, ek baar dobara bhi kar sakte hai because the light something moved and all that. Give some technical reason, and he said no, that's it, enough. But so confident, and just move on.
What love.
And
Ah,
yeah, lovely. Yeah. So I
That's
just
funny.
this is the one quality in Indians I hate: slowness. And they
Mm.
take so long. Like in our MTV days, all the guys will sit around, and then first will be coffee, then will be tea,
Mm.
then we'll look at abhi kya hai. The non-veg guys will want the keema, so we have to go and send someone to Paramount. The veg guys will want all that horrible snacks I can't mention, like upma and poha, which make me feel ulti. And and then 1 hour, 2 hours is gone in that, man. Celebrity, yaar, we're all there. 9 o'clock to do what, man? 11 baje tak kuch hua nahi. We just discuss the food. Because it's government job, no one is accounting for the money and all that. So whole pace was so slow. But Mahesh Mathai was great. Yeah,
Yeah.
really. Some of the
No,
South
he's
guys,
great.
the cameramen and all that I worked with, on ad films, very good. Because Ravi K. Chandran, for example, I had a very funny moment with him. We were again shooting an ad film with Rajiv Menon. Again, I'm sure Huma knows all these names. And I was shooting, and he's talking to me in English very nicely about history. Something about the Cholas or something about Tamil history. We're having a nice conversation. So he's saying, and you do this way, and then the Chola industry, they're not given enough respect because they had bigger empire than. And then somebody did something wrong on his trolley. He turns around and screams, MCBC, and comes back and says, and Cholas are not being told. He snapped when he came back and he talked normally. But I was so scared. I was shaking inside here. He abused so badly in the same way he turned back and continued. I loved him. I was like, these are my heroes, man. Unbelievable. They switch, ting,
yep.
tong. What do you say,
So
Huma? They can
Fab.
work faster, no, in
uh,
India.
uh,
It's too slow.
Yeah. Oh, 100%. No, in fact, but you have to then work in the West then. They are so slow. I have to tell you the story now. So we were shooting one of the action sequences in Army of the Dead, okay? And we're shooting on like some 30-second floor, and there's this long corridor when you see the film, and there's this one shot where we're being attacked, and me and this other girl are sort of moving back. And for some reason, first the camera's facing one direction, so the DOP and Zach were like, "Oh, and Zach was also shooting the film, by the way, so he's also like handling the camera. So they've opened
Oh.
all the windows and everything to let the beautiful light hit us. But when they turn the camera around, they're like, "Arey, ye to dono piche aise walk back kar rahe hain, and this is a very high floor, so this is a safety issue." So I'm like, guys, that window's there. I'm here. I won't walk that much. Take the shot. It's okay. No. Safety first. For 45 minutes on that 30-second floor, they're trying to make it secure. I'm like, guys, come to India. Nothing happens. We just go like dung.
And also only Huma's double would have fallen out. So it's not a big deal. The film would have been ban jati picture. End of the day, that's the main thing.
So I think by that standards, Indians work pretty fast. We are like, kaam karo, fatafat.
Okay, let me. Film, they've definitely started working fast. I'm talking about TV. And not the TV you do, but the TV that I did, where it became like government jobs very often, and then people just had enough time to make things, and there's no accountability. One day we shall reveal all. But I think television, when they've got strong budgets, they make you work 18 hours a day. It's a different deal altogether. Yeah.
I've never worked like that, but that must be horrible, man. Like to work 18 hours. I'm sorry, but like it must be like, where does the creativity come from? Like
Ronit Roy is now 74 years old because they made him work so hard. He's actually only 61. He's just aged so fast. The other day, tried to talk to him also. I couldn't understand what he was saying. His teeth have gone and all. You can't work it that much. There's too much work. But tell me, Huma, don't you think Indians walk too slowly? Even in my lane, sometimes I just want to push them. I just feel, they're just slow. We need to be a little faster. How do we do that?
What about like pedestrians having the first right of passage and all that? When you go to foreign countries, then you're like, ha, pehle chaliye and all that. Now you have to push
their pedestrians are much better looking, so you don't mind it. You see, our pedestrians sochte hai ki what difference does it make, yaar? After the accident, it'll look the same. So what's the problem? Uma, don't laugh. They'll come for both of us, huh? We are both minorities. They don't have time for us, bro. They'll keep us on a mountain and say, "Abhi bol, jo bolne ka hai." Democracy.
I'm sorry, I am a minority. You're invisible.
Yeah, I'm exactly. You're at least a minority. That was beautiful. That was very poetic. Invisible is right. Oh, the gayab ho gaya. Chalo. On that happy note, shall we stop and get on with our boring lives?
Please edit this carefully and take out all the scandalous stuff. This mad person has just
No. You've been very nice. I've said all the wrong things. You've said nothing bad. Don't worry.
You are adorable.
Behind you, that guy will come back. I'm just warning you. Huh? And he's also very slow. He didn't move very fast.
Rizvi, भैया को आके हाय बोलो. ऐसे भैया आपके फैन है. इनको जानते हो? ये जो चश्मे वाले हैं. इनको हाय बोलो.
Hello, Rizvi. Yes, yo. Okay, so I'll just say hi. But in case he's walking on the road, I might drive faster.
अंकल है ना ये चश्मे वाले अंकल. ये बहुत famous है.
Silvery, you heard what I said. I'm sorry.
Yes, I did.
Huh? Yeah, he's a fan. He said he's a fan.
How sweet you. But thanks to you, he's got work and all. I mean, that's great. Honestly, jokes apart. That you're helping whoever, because I get calls. I was just telling the boys in the day also from people say looking for work, makeup people, spot boys. There's not enough work at the moment. It's quite sad.
It is quite sad. But I think, like, to be honest, like I have to say this about our business. They're really trying to help whoever we can, and not just me. I know a lot of people who are doing that, because where do all these people go, man? Like, I mean, it's quite horrific.
That's why, please, ministers, listen to us. No more lockdown. Or at least open it partially so we can get on with lives. I haven't seen somebody else's wife for a long time. Okay, all right. Let's quit while we're ahead. Huma, listen, great talking to you. Maharani, 28th May. Please watch it and enjoy. And it is not Rabri Devi for the last time. In case smart Alex says something.
Thank you so much, Cyrus. You're amazing. Thanks, guys. Bye. Bye, Silvery.
Thanks
Bye.
so much.
Bye, Silvery.